Friends, in this short video हम एक केस स्टडी डिस्कस करेंगे ऑन रूल इन क्लेटन्स केस।
फर्म ABC एंड D एसोसिएट्स के 4 पार्टनर्स हैं, नेमली A, B, C एंड D, जिनका इक्वल शेयर है 25% ईच।
They maintain a current account with Punjab National Bank यानी PNB. They are enjoying a cash credit limit of rupees 50 lakhs.
उनके अकाउंट्स में ऑपरेशंस एज पर टेबल बिलो दिए गए हैं। A expires on 1st February और C dies on 15th March.
Date, transaction type, amount in rupees और balance in rupees.
1st Jan को firm withdraws 12 lakhs, balance है minus 12 lakhs.
15 Jan को firm withdraws 8 lakhs, balance हो गया minus 20 lakhs.
10th Feb को firm deposits 6 lakhs, balance है minus 14 lakhs.
1st March को firm withdraws 4 lakhs, balance minus 18 lakhs.
1st April को firm withdraws 10 lakhs, balance minus 28 lakhs. 15th April को firm deposits 3 lakhs, balance minus 25 lakhs.
Based on this, answer the following questions. Question 1. Principle laid by a court in which famous case shall apply to determine liability of estate of A and C?
Answer है Rule in Clayton's case, Devane versus Noble, 1816 in UK.
Question 2. What shall be amount of liability on estate of A and C, respectively?
Question 3. What shall be liability of B and D?
Question 4. To make estate of A and C for entire outstanding liability, what the bank should have done?
Liability on estate of partner A, died 1st Feb, balance at death is 20 lakhs.
Later deposits of 6 lakhs and 3 lakhs reduce A's liability under first in, first out basis.
Final liability is 20 lakhs minus 9 lakhs, which is 11 lakhs.
Liability on estate of partner C, died 15th March, balance at death is 18 lakhs.
Later deposit of 3 lakhs reduce C's liability under first in, first out basis.
Final liability is 18 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, which is 15 lakhs.
Liability of partners B and D alive. They are jointly liable for the entire outstanding amount of 25 lakhs.
We hope you will find this content interesting and useful.
Friends, in the last 30 years, more than 10 lakh bankers used our video lessons and PDF material in passing their JIIB, CAIB, promotion and certified credit professional exam.
If you want to improve your chances of passing the exam, use our best and updated content and log into the courses page of our website, nstourschoolofbanking.com.